If you are here, you're trying to find a way to make more money with video templates. And I get it. You may think the market is already full, maybe even oversaturated. But here's the thing, something interesting is happening right now on stock platforms. They're not after flashy AI-generated stuff. They're actually looking for simple, clean, useful templates, stuff that regular users can actually use. I am Apostolos Rousas, founder of Candy Masters, one of the top brands in this space. I've been doing this for 14 years and recently I found a trick, a simple one, but super effective. And that trick made me over 300k last year only. Why I'm sharing this? Same reason you are here. More money. And honestly, that should be your goal too. Now, do you need to work? Of course. This is not some overnight 1000 per day while you are clubbing in Mykonos kind of thing. This is real stuff, real life. But it works. And it works well if you follow the system. I'm not here to teach you how to make cool or trendy stuff. I'm going to show you the most boring, simple techniques that actually sell. But the real value is the method, a method I built by working closely with those platforms over the years. And you don't need to be a pro in After Effects and Premiere Pro to do this. And once you get it, you will also learn how to grow, scale, and let the money work for you. So yeah, that's a deal. No fake Lambos, no hype. Just a system that works. See you inside the course.